Hi, I'm Isaac.
I'm Lisa.
We are the founders and directors of Camp Zeke. Our theme at camp is celebrating healthy, active living through fitness, cooking, sports, arts, and aquatics. And we do it all in a really joyful Jewish environment where kindness is our very highest value.
We're located on 560 acres in the beautiful Pocono Mountains of Pennsylvania. We have a private 60-acre lake, heated and air-conditioned bunks, a full fitness center, and all the athletic facilities and arts facilities that you could imagine.
Families often ask us, what makes your camp different? We are the only camp where our theme is celebrating healthy, active living.
Because we have an elective schedule, campers could really craft their day in a way that speaks to them and spend time doing the activities that they love the most. We're about to go through all of the activities that Camp Zeke offers. Then we'll talk about our values and our facility. Let's get started. One of our flagship programs here at Camp Zeke is Culinary Arts. In our Culinary Arts kitchens, our campers make everything from sushi to challah to cookies. And at the end of each summer, they take home a recipe book with all of the recipes along with their kitchen skills, and they can really cook at home. Campers can choose to participate in our Circus Arts program, which includes aerial silks, hoops, and straps. At the end of each session, our circus campers, our dance campers, and our gymnastics campers come together to create a spectacular show that looks something like Cirque du Soleil.
Fitness is one of our flagship programs at camp. We have a full gym. It's overseen by a team of personal trainers. Campers can actually set a fitness goal, and they can work towards that goal all summer with the guidance of our trainers who help them achieve it. We have free weights, we have squat racks, we have pull-up bars, we have treadmills, and our trainers are teaching campers not just how to use the machines, but about the different muscle groups and how you exercise. And they're teaching them skills that the kids can then take home for years after the experience. We have a whole category of fitness programs, including martial arts, outdoor adventure, running, hiking, yoga. We have dance. We have so many different ways that campers can have a really active summer without playing team sports all summer. For a lot of our campers, that's really, really appealing. A lot of our other campers, of course, want to play team sports all summer. And because the schedule is based on electives, both sets of kids can craft their experience based on their interests. We have a great tennis program, we have basketball, we have baseball, we have softball, we have volleyball. Each one of our sports is overseen by a coach who creates a whole curriculum before camp even starts. It's a mix of skill building and actual games. Campers can even play sometimes against the camps all around us.
Hickory Lake is our private spring-fed lake. We do tons of boating, kayaking, canoes, stand-up paddleboarding, and of course, jet skiing and tubing. And for those who prefer, we also have a heated pool where we do swim instruction and a hot tub. Campers can choose to participate in our theater program, which puts on a full musical every session. If you are into fine arts, we've also got our art program, which has everything from ceramics and painting to traditional camp favorites like tie-dye and friendship bracelets.
Meals are a highlight of the camp experience. We have a really dedicated team of chefs in the kitchen. They're making most things from scratch. All of our meals are set up as huge buffets. That way campers have tons of options. We also have a canteen. Campers can go there anytime just to grab a snack. In the canteen, we have things like smoothies and granola bars and trail mixes and fresh fruit, tons of different options, and the campers tend to really enjoy the food here at camp. Campers live in heated and air-conditioned bunks that have hotel mattresses. Each bunk has 4 private bathrooms. There is a toilet and a shower behind a locked door, just like at home. Our goal in camp is to create a really warm, joyful Jewish environment. Every Friday night, we have an all-camp Shabbat celebration right in our lake. Everyone dresses in white and blue. It's something the kids look forward to all week, and then we have a really nice Shabbat dinner right afterwards. Every summer, we have a group of Israeli staff. We also have Israeli campers. So there's a really sort of nice, upbeat sense of Israeli culture in camp. And all of camp is based on a set of core Jewish values, like being kind to other people and welcoming new members of the community and building our character and taking care of our health. And these values are integrated into all aspects of our camp program, and it really makes camp this kind, welcoming, joyful community that it is. Campers can be the very best versions of themselves while making lifelong friendships with kids who share their values.
We can't wait to welcome you.